The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start. United States and European Union targeting India with the tariffs because they accuse India for funding war against the Ukraine. EU sanction वेडिना रिफाइनरी एंड ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इंडिया के लिए एक रियलिटी चेक था क्योंकि वहां ट्रम्प has said that he bought ceasefire using trade as a weapon, and even Pakistan Field Marshal Asim Munir was called for a lunch, and Mr. Trump praising Pakistan for its policy of counterterrorism, which is totally unacceptable. Even US indirectly Bangladesh regime change करने को भी support करा, which is pro India उस time. And even US tech companies sells AI chips to China. But why can't India leave West? Because China is unpredictable country, meeting Pakistan and Bangladesh nowadays, and China helping the Bangladesh to revive a airbase close to India's Siliguri point. And we see Operation Sindoor, extensive support to Pakistan with missiles, especially PL-15, and China is squeezing India's mineral supply and building a larger dam across India. And so, what is the way forward? India has to shift from this passive stance and it needs to take an active stance. This article talks about flash flood in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. For disaster management in GS3 and term, flash flood is important for the prelims as well. What is flash flood? Heavy rainfall on the ground and rainfall not able to soak, so water run down the river and flooding occur. We usually associate flash flood with the cloud burst. Actually, the Himalayan mountain range state prone to flash flood due to overflowing of the glacial lakes. An eastern state cyclone storm caused flash flood. This article talks about that 50% of India's edible imported oil is palm oil, and mainly it comes from Malaysia and Indonesia, that is 85%. These trees are aging nowadays, and it is a serious concern for India's food security. Independence Day invites this year to feature the Chenab Bridge. So, what do you have to focus on for prelims? Chenab River, which origins from the Chandra and Bhaga. It enters the J and K, then goes to Pakistan. It's mainly tributary, you have to see it.